our schedule has freaking sucked. And so we didn't get a chance to fish a new lake this week, but we're on the way to Harris right now, our home lake, for a couple hours of fishing. Glenn's driving. We got
maybe 3 hours of fishing time.
Glenn's boat. We've got 3 hours of fishing time, and we're going to do our first tournament for you guys. It's going to be me versus him. He's going to lose. I'm calling it. The 5 best fish that we can catch in how long?
3 hours, I guess. We'll see. We'll see when we get there. Who knows?
Can't wait. We're here. Our schedule's finally allowed us to get out here and fun fish. We're on Harris again, and we're going to compete. I know that's probably lighting's garbage with the sun behind us, but that's what it is. So 5 best fish. We got until dark. It's 6:15 now.
Yeah.
I'm going to kick his tail.
Yeah, right. Yeah, okay. My boat.
On Glenn's boat. All right. Glenn's throwing a big old spinnerbait. And I got this giant whopper plopper. This is pretty much the first time I've gotten a chance to fish with this thing. And Glenn said he was fishing out here the other day and they weren't hitting it, but I've spent like 40 bucks on whopper plopper, so I am determined to catch a bass on a whopper plopper.
Yeah, I'm just fishing a spinnerbait again. I don't know. I'm enjoying it. So we just saw a school come out here a minute ago.
Insane.
We'll see if we can find them. Yeah, there's one. There's one. Got a spinnerbait right through him. Look at that. They're right here, dude. Get on a different bait.
Oh, please be in the slot.
Oh, we're not counting the slot, are we?
Yeah, no, negative. We're counting the slot. Oh, he come off! Ah! Bass are back. Oh my God, did you see that giant just jump out of the water? Oh my God!
Oh, just look at those fish.
Oh, how are they not hitting the whopper plopper?
Oh my God. They didn't see them at all.
No! One slap at it.
Dude, how are you not? Goodness. How?
Insane.
I hope you guys saw that.
I'm speechless. I don't even know how that happens. We're moving back this way. What in the world?
The problem is there's so much bait, and a lot of it's small. That these bait, you know what I mean? They're not fooled by.
I'm getting annoyed by this thing right here. Although, check out that sunset. God, can't get no better than that. That's why we fish, boys. That's why we fish.
We fish to catch them sometimes, but good Lord, I don't know how that's even possible. I mean, I know I don't want to accept it, but
He sucks.
that's frustrating.
These friggin' things are busting all around us. We can't catch a single fish.
I don't know if you guys watched my review video for the first time we fished out here, but I was talking about it's hard to resist chasing fish. And that's what we've gotten caught doing, is chasing fish. Because we chase them, and then by the time we get cast distance, they dive back down. So we'll get into them in a minute. I hooked a decent one a little while ago, but the thing is, we talked about before, there's a slot limit out here, 16 to 20 inches? 16 to 20 inches. There's also a littering law, I think, but luckily that didn't make it out of the boat. So we said if we're doing a little tournament, we got to stick with the slot thing, which
They're busting right there.
most of the schooling fish are, see, all day with this guy. You've seen his pranks. He loves it. But yeah, they got to stay in that slot limit to count for our little tournament. So we need to at least catch something to show you guys.
His fish that just broke off, and actually
Didn't
just
break
came
off.
unbuttoned, would have been in the slot. So he would have had to throw it back anyway. Should I like blur out Gatorade since they don't sponsor us? Hey Gatorade, we've got 37 subscribers. Sponsor us.
Oh man, we still stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and the national anthem. So.
All right, we made the cardinal sin. We left fish to find fish. So we weren't having too much success getting those schooling fish to bite. And we decided that we'd make a run to the back of a cove to see if we could find any back here on some lily pads and grass, which I immediately regret. We'll see. We will see. So far, I'm the only one that's winning this tournament. I've caught 3. Glenn's caught none.
He's tossed one bait off, backlashed about 10 times,
9
and
times.
hadn't even felt the fish touch anything he's been throwing.
So we're going back to where we were at. That camera's kind of, the angle's a little high there, Jack. Let's tune that down some. Going back to where we were because we left fish to find fish. We didn't find fish, so now we're going back to where we saw fish. That's all we saw.
All day long with this guy, same story.
What's our lighting look like? I bet it sucks.
It's the same as what me and Chrissy did the other night.
Is it?
If you watch the end of that video, it looks like that.
Our lighting probably sucks.
Probably.
We suck at bass fishing because we each hooked a fish. We did not land our fish.
No.
So it would be a tie, but it would be a loser tie because technically we didn't catch anything because we didn't get in the boat.
And you guys saw that at the schools. Oh, so frustrating to get up on them like that. But it's cool to watch. It just sucks when they won't bite your bait.
Well, we hope you guys like that. We hope you subscribe, like, comment on our channel, especially when we upload videos of us not catching crap. So hope you guys have a good day.
Enjoy the drone shots.
Yeah,
That'll be more to come with that.
absolutely. Fish on.